Hello class, in this lesson, I'll be discussing precipitation reaction. Okay, this is something that you will also apply in your PETA 3.2. So when we say precipitation reaction, this is a type of reaction where two aqueous solutions combine to form insoluble solid or known as precipitate. Okay, so basically, we have here an aqueous solution or aqueous substance. Okay, aqueous solution plus aqueous solution. Okay, pwede namang shortcut. Then, this forms insoluble substance, which is in solid form, and most likely another aqueous solution. Okay, this solid will be insoluble in water. Okay, so that means it will not dissolve in water, while aqueous solution dissolve in water. So what do we mean by that? When a substance is soluble, okay, they dissolve in water. So when they dissolve in water, that means they dissociate into ions. Okay? So for example, NaCl, okay, or table salt. Yung table salt, kapag hinalo siya sa tubig, magdi-dissociate yan into ions. Na and then Cl. Okay? Halimbawa, ito yung tubig, tapos hinalo mo yung asin. Okay? Magkakaroon dyan ng sodium ions, chlorine ions, okay? Sodium ions, chlorine ions, and so on. Nagdi-dissociate siya. While these insoluble substances, say for example, we have silver chloride, okay? Or AgCl. Yung AgCl ay insoluble. AgCl. So, kapag nilagay mo yun sa tubig, hindi siya mahahati into AgCl. Pero ano pa rin siya? Buo pa rin siyang silver, AgCl. Buo pa rin siya. Okay? Kasi nga, insoluble sila. Okay? Yan pa rin yung mga substance. Okay, so precipitation reaction, again, is a reaction, okay, which involves two aqueous solution to form insoluble substance, also known as precipitate. So this insoluble substance will be our precipitate. Okay, so take note of the terms insoluble, not aqueous. So usually they are in solid form, and the aqueous solutions are aqueous, and they are soluble in water. So, take note of this table. If ever, I think given naman yung table. Pero yung iba, dapat familiar kayo sa mga substances. Okay, take note, this first part is soluble. Okay, they dissolve in water. Ayan. Ano yung mga soluble substances na yan? So, ito, ammonium, LiNA, and so on. No exemption. So, basta may nakita kayong NH4, kung ano man yung kasama niya, soluble, na di-dissolve sa water. Okay? Nitrate. Okay? ClO4, CHO, acetate, chlorate, hypochlorate. Yan. Okay? So, mga soluble yan. Meron din mga soluble most of the time, except if may kasama siya. So, halimbawa, si chlorine. Chlorine is soluble most of the time, but then if it combines with these three, it becomes insoluble. Okay, so ayan yung mga NaCl. Meron din naman ng mga naturally insoluble, but then if they combine with these substances, they become soluble. Halimbawa, sulfide combined with strontium ion. Okay, sulfide ion, strontium ions, nag-combine. Instead na insoluble, nagiging soluble na siya. Okay, so ganun gamitin yung table. Alright, next. Okay, so we will be writing the net ionic equation. So what is a net ionic equation? This tells you the ions, okay, involved in formation of precipitate. Okay, so matitira na lang kung ano yung mga ions na bumubuo dun sa precipitate. Okay, how do we do that? Number one, we balance the chemical equation, and usually we predict the product. Okay, and you write the correct state. Is it aqueous solution or solid or liquid? Using the solubility rules. And then rewrite it and all the ions in the form of ions except solid and or liquid. Okay, and then give us the total or the complete ionic equation. Then we cancel the spectator reaction. Okay, let's have number one. Example. So, will precipitate or precipitates form when solution of calcium chloride and sodium carbonate are mixed. So, we have here calcium chloride. So, diba ang first topic natin, na-discuss na natin yung nomenclature. So, calcium chloride will be CaCl2. Bakit may 2? Kasi galing siya sa Ca2 positive at saka chlorine negative. Kaya naging CaCl2. Calcium chloride. Next, we have sodium carbonate. So, Na2CO3. Bakit siya ganyan? Kasi yung Na is positive 1. Yung carbonate ay CO3 2 negative. Kaya siya naging sodium carbonate. Okay, let's check. So, we have here calcium chloride plus sodium carbonate. Okay, will it form precipitate daw? First, we identify the type of the state. May chlorine, at sabi natin yung chlorine ay soluble. Okay, except if nag-form dito. Calcium naman yung kasama niya. So, that means chlorine is soluble. So, that means this is AQ, aqueous solution. Next, yung carbonate. CO. Okay, ito siya. Okay. So, yung carbonate ay soluble, except if nasama siya sa other carbonates. Yung kasama niya naman ay Na. So, aqueous solution siya. Next, paano natin malalaman yung product? Okay, recall natin yung double replacement reaction. Double replacement reaction. Okay, so paano yun? So remember, AB plus CD becomes AB plus CB. Nagsuswitch tong dalawa. Pero take note na pag nag-switch yan, dala-dala nila yung charge. Okay? So halimbawa, ito, yung charge ng Ca, 2. So, pag nag-combine siya kay carbonate, yung Ca, ngayon, yung 2 ni carbonate, ay ni calcium, magiging CO3, 2. And then, yung carbonate ay 2. So, simplify natin, 2, 2, magiging 1 na lang siya. So, CO3. Okay? Again, saan yun nanggaling? Itong charge na to ay sa kanya. So, sulat natin in terms of charge. We have here Ca, 2 positive, plus Cl negative, plus Na positive, plus CO3, 2 negative. Saan nanggaling yan? Diba yung criss-cross? Babalik na rin natin. So, ito pag mapupunta doon. Ngayon, itong 2 positive nito, tsaka itong 2 positive nito, mapupunta dito. 2 tapos 2. Pero pwedeng i-simplify. Okay? Now, check natin if this is aqueous solution. May carbonate tayo. Okay? But, okay, carbonate is insoluble. So, naturally, insoluble na siya. So, we have here solid. Okay? And then, or S na lang. And then, we have here, okay. Next, we have here, Na, and then chlorine, NaCl. Okay? And yung Cl ay wala naman dito sa exemption. So, soluble pa rin to. Okay. So, that means that is AQ. After that, lahat ng aqueous solution, na-divide siya. Except sa solid. So, we'll keep it as is. So, CaCO3, solid pa din siya. Plus, Na, positive, plus Cl, negative. Then, we balance the equation. Up to you if you want to balance it first or you balance it later. Okay? So, paano i-balance? Balik tayo dito. So, again, kanya-kanyang kung saan kayo mas madaling makapag-balance. Ako, I do REP. So, elements are Ca, Cl, Na, at saka CO3. Ba natin to. So, we have here, calcium sa kabila ay 1, chlorine ay 2, Na ay 2, carbonate ay 1. Isa. So, saan tayo mag-a-adjust? Adjust tayo kay Na on the other side. Lagyan natin to ng 2. Ito ay magiging 2, 2. Ayun, balance na. Okay? So, balance na pala siya agad. Okay, now, dahil nag-balance na tayo, we write the coefficient. So, Ca ay 1. Chlorine ay, so, ibig sabihin nito, dalawa siya. So, lagyan natin dito ng 2. Tapos, ang sodium natin ay 2. May subscription na 2. So, 2. Carbonate natin ay 1. So, plus. Pero 1. Ang calcium carbonate natin ay as is kasi solid. So, ang sodium natin, nag-balance tayo, naging times 2. This one is also times 2. So, 2 and then 2. Okay? So, now we cancel the common. So, ano yung mga common? So, meron tayo ditong, okay, ito, common, at ito ay common. Parehas on both sides. Those canceled are called the spectator ions. Then, we drop yung natira. Ano yung mga natira? Ca, 2 positive, plus CO3, 2 positive, 2 negative. Yields CaCO3, solid. So, yung remaining, ito ang ating net ionic equation. Yung mga nag-cancel, those are our spectator ions. When we say spectator ions, they do not contribute to the precipitation. Okay? So, they remain as is after the reaction. Okay? So, ayan. This one is our complete ionic equation. So, yung natanggal, yung natira na lang ay net ionic equations. Ayan. Alright. So, after this, one, we have, okay, ano yung mga naging step natin? One is predict tayo ng product. Predict product. Using double displacement. Okay. Double replacement. AB plus CD yields AD plus CP. Okay, we also identify the state. Okay, aqueous ba siya? Solid ba siya? Liquid ba siya? Or gas? Okay. Next, we have, what we did is that we balance the chemical reaction. Okay. Balance chemical reaction. Kapag na-balance na, number 4, we split. Okay? Ang nakalagay dito ay, we rewrite them as ions. Okay? All aqueous. Okay? Aqueous. Okay? Splits to ions. Okay. So, halimbawa, NaCl becomes Na positive, Cl negative. Next, after nyan, kung yung mga aqueous solution, ganyan, yung mga solid, kept as is. So, this one is solid. So, as is lang siya hanggang dito sa pagbaba. Okay? Anong basis natin dito? Basis for the state will be rules of solubility. Table. Okay? Then, number 5, na-identify na natin yung mga, na-split na natin yung mga ions. Then, na-keep na as is. Cancel. Same. Ions on both sides. Okay? Or common. So, these are the spectator reaction. Pwedeng this is or this are spectator ions. Okay? And then number 6, the remaining mix of the precipitate is the net ionic equation. Okay? Yung natira. Okay, let's have another example. Okay. AgNO3. So, is aqueous. Let's check. NO3. Lahat ng NO3. No exception ay soluble. Okay. KCl. So, aqueous din siya kasi hindi naman dito sa tatlo. Pero, pag nag-switch na sila, this becomes, let's see, ito, dalawa ay mag-switch. Magiging Ag, what will I use? AgCl plus KNO3. Yung mga charge nila ay positive 1. So, as is lang din siya. Now, let's check solid or aqueous solution. So, yung AgCl, ito yung chlorine, at ito yung Ag. Originally, soluble siya, pero dahil kasama sa exception to the rule, it becomes solid. Okay? Di na siya soluble. KNO3, wala namang problema sa NO3. No exception to the rule. Basta may NO3, aqueous solution. Okay? Now, na-determine na natin yung product. We balance the equation. So, how do we balance? We check if both sides ay merong same element. So, REP. So, AgCl and then NO3 tsaka K lang. So, this is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. O, as is, balance naman siya. Okay, next step. Lahat ng aqueous solution, we split into ions. This one split, this one split, this one split into ions, but this is as is kasi solid. Okay? So, what do we mean by that? this becomes Ag positive NO3 plus NO3 NO sub 3 negative plus we have K positive plus Cl negative yields as is lang yung AgCl kasi solid plus K positive plus NO3 negative. Balance naman yung reaction. Wala namang sub 2. So, we can now cancel out. Cancel this, ano pa? This, and this. So, ito ay hindi makakancel kasi isang buo ito dito. Okay? So, ang natira, Ag positive plus Cl negative yields AgCl solid. Okay, so this is now our net ionic equation. Okay, and our spectator ions are yung na-cancel NO3 negative and K positive. Alright. Ay, may space pala doon. So, sana doon ko na sinula. So, ayan. So, yung solid ay, again, bakit siya solid? Kasi yung chlorine, originally soluble, pero dahil nag-combine siya dito sa Ag, naging insoluble na siya. Solid. So, pag solid siya, they do not dissolve in water. They are our precipitate. Okay? And then, okay, let's try this one. Another one. PbNO3 PbNO3 to AQ plus 2NaI. Okay, so let's write the molecular equation or the complete ionic equation. Okay, so NaAI is also aqueous, right? Sabi sa prop. Okay, next. What we do is to predict the product. So, mag-switch lang sila. Itong Pb ay may positive 2. Kanino na siya mag-combine? Sa I. Okay, tapos i-criss-cross yun, kaya magkakaroon ng Pb ay 2. Plus, yung Na ay positive at yung NO3 ay negative. So, magiging NaNO3. Okay? So, Pb I 2NO3. Okay. Next. What will be the next? Okay. I-balance the equation. Is it balanced? Let's check if it's balanced. So, if not balanced, then we balance it. Okay. Balancing muna. Reactant, element, and product. So, ang element natin, Pb, NO3, polyatomic ion considered as 1, Na, at saka I. So, we have here 1, 2, 2, 2. On the other side, we have 1, 2, 1, 1. So, to balance, lalagyan lang pala natin dito ng 2. So, ito ay magiging 2, ito ay magiging 2. So, balance na siya. The rest are as is. Okay? So, plus, tas ito ay 2. Okay. Delete natin to. Na-balance na natin. What's next? Identify if ano dito yung precipitate. Okay. So, yung NO3, again, no exception. So, automatic aqueous. Pero yung iodine, ito siya, soluble siya, except if dito siya magko-combine. Pero ito yung Pb, which is yung nasa problem. So, that means that is now solid. Okay? Okay. This one is solid. Next, ano lang yung magi-split into ions, lahat ng aqueous solution. Tapos, yung subscript ay number plus charge. So, that becomes Pb 2 positive, pero isa lang siya. Okay, yung NO3 ay dalawa, at ang original charge ng NO3 ay negative. Plus 2 na sodium ion, plus 2 na iodine ion. This yields, as is lang yung solid, PbI2, solid, plus, this would split into ions. Okay, move natin. Kita natin konti. Pati yung Q na damay. Okay. Then, yung NeO3, 2 na Na ion plus 2 na nitrate ion. Okay, so, nakita naman yan, no? Ito ay nag-split. Ito ay nag-split. Ito as is lang. At ito ay nag-split. Okay, then we cancel out the common. So, dapat balance din yung number of ions. So, ano yung mga same dyan? Ito, at ito, ito, at ito. Then, we bring down yung natira. What's left is PbI2 solid. Then, we have here Pb 2 positive plus 2I negative. So, this is your net ionic equation. Okay, and then spectator ions, ano yun? Yung na-cancel on both sides, they remain the same. NO3 negative and sodium ion. Okay, so this is our net ionic charge. Our precipitate is lead iodide. Okay. So, ayan siya. Okay. What about if, for example, let's have this one. HI, okay, hydroiodic ion, acid, plus zinc nitrate. Okay, yields. So, pag nag-switch ito, magiging HNO3 plus zinc. Yung charge ng zinc ay 2 positive. So, plus I2. Okay, yung charge na ay ito. Tapos, pag nag-partner siya sa I, mag-criss-cross. Kaya siya naging zinc I2. Next, we identify the charge. Take note na ang nitrate ay laging soluble. Ito, soluble siya. So, this becomes AQ. Aqueous. Yung zinc iodide, yung iodide ay soluble rin, except dito. Hindi naman siya yan. So, aqueous din siya. Sabi natin, kapag aqueous, nag-i-split sila lahat. But we check first if balance yung equation. Balance ba? Hindi. Kasi merong 2 yung I dito. So, we balance first. Reactant, element, product. Ano yung mga element? HI, zinc, at saka NO3. So, sa reactant, 1, 1, 1, 2. Sa product, 1, 1, 1, 2. Okay? So, adjust natin yung nitrate sa product. So, we multiply here 2. If we multiply by 2, ito magbabago at ito magbabago. Now, yung iodine at yung H, sa reactant naman tayo maggalaw. Ito, multiply by 2, this becomes 2, and then 2. Now, it's balanced. Okay? So, cancel natin to. Okay, so lahat ng aqueous solution nag-i-split into ions. Ito, 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 at ito. So, this becomes 2H positive plus 2I negative plus Zn to positive plus N, dalawa daw yon, to NO3 negative. Yields 2H positive, and then we have 2 NO3 negative. Bakit dalawa? Kasi ito na-distribute doon. Dalawang ganyang ions at dalawang hydrogen. Move natin ng konti. Oops. Then, yung zinc iodide natin, ito mag-split din, plus Zn to positive plus 2I negative. Okay? Now, we cancel out the common. 2H2 common. 2I, same. Zinc, same. Same, same. Okay? This indicates no reaction. So, pag nag-observe kayo, pwedeng walang reaction. That means they are all solubles. Are all soluble. Okay? Ayun siya. Ayan. No reaction siya. Okay? So, ma-observe nyo rin siya sa lab. So, for now, yan muna. You try to practice some of this. Okay.